Your pod is crashing and you have no idea why. Without viewing logs, you're debugging blind. Let's learn how to view logs from any Kubernetes pod. The primary command is kubectl logs followed by the pod name. This fetches the most recent logs from your pod's standard output. If you don't specify a namespace, it defaults to the current context. This is your go-to command for basic log viewing. To watch logs as they happen, add the -f or -- follow flag. This streams logs in real time, just like tailing a log file. Perfect for monitoring live application behavior or watching startup sequences. When your pod runs multiple containers, you need to specify which one. Use the -c or -- container flag followed by the container name. Without this, kubectl will complain if there's more than one container in the pod. If a container crashed and restarted, you might want logs from the previous instance. Use the -- previous flag to view logs from the crashed container. This is critical for debugging crash loops. If your pod isn't in the default namespace, add the -n flag with the namespace name. This tells kubectl exactly where to look for your pod. Master these kubectl logs flags and you'll never be stuck debugging blind again. Ready to practice more Kubernetes questions? Keep watching. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.